Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about how to set pattern in our Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to set your lock screen pattern, so guys you can set. And guys, now let's see how to set pattern in Redmi phone. In this video guys, I am going to show you. So friend, first of all, open your phone setting without waste time to set pattern. Then guys, scroll it. Then guys, you can see your password and security setting. So guys, tap here. And guys, you can see your screen lock. So guys, tap here. So you can see pattern, pin and password. So if we want to set pattern, so guys click on pattern. As you can see this remember your password notification, and guys click on got it. Then guys you can set your pattern from here. So example for guys, we will take this L, and guys don't forget your pattern. Come, we want to add fingerprint. No, we don't want to add. So guys, now let's see. So guys, now you can see we have this pattern lock. So guys, we will do a pattern to open phone. So I hope friends, we have understood how to set pattern lock. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.